Hi, everybody. So we are going to do the marshmallow challenge today. And some of that is going to kind of revolve around the fact that engineering design principles and problem solving are going to be two of the key kind of pillars throughout our time together. So how we're going to start looking at those kind of two big pieces is, like I said, with the marshmallow challenge. Now, this is not the same as the Chubby Bunny challenge where you try to fit as many marshmallows in your mouth as you can. This is different than that. You're going to be building something. So, the marshmallow challenge, you have 18 minutes to build the tallest freestanding structure using no more than 20 pieces of spaghetti, 1 yard of tape, 1 yard of string, and 1 marshmallow. All of these items are already at the lab tables, so you don't have to go hunting for them. There should already be 3 sets for block 1, block 2, and block 3. Make sure that you are only using 1 set. So a couple rules. Rule number 1 is that it has to be freestanding. So you can't tape it to the table. You can't suspend it from anything. You have to, in essence, be able to pick it up and move it. Now, you're not going to be picking it up and moving it, but that's what it means to be freestanding. Rule number 2, the entire marshmallow must be on the top. You can't take a bite of it. You can't rip it. The entire thing has to be there. And you actually want it to be there because you're going to be building a tower and then measuring from the base of the tower to the top of the marshmallow. So you really want that whole thing to be there anyways. Then, rule number 3, you can use as much or as little as the kit as you want. If you find that you don't want to use the string, you don't have to. That is the maximum that you can use, but you can do whatever you want with those pieces. And then rule number 4, like I said, you're free to break the spaghetti, cut the tape, do whatever you need. You just can't change the marshmallow. That has to be fully intact. And then, like I said, this is going to last 18 minutes, and your goal is to build the tallest freestanding structure at your desk. And then after those 18 minutes are over, your hands will go up. You cannot touch your structure anymore. So if it falls, but you have to put your hands up once the timer goes, and then each group will measure how tall their structure is, again, from the base to the top of the marshmallow. Make sure that you do this in centimeters, and then you will place your information up on the big board. All right, good luck, everybody.